Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. What's included with Knowledge Broker Blueprint? Dean-graziosi-knowledge-broker-blueprint. Knowledge Broker Blueprint is a complete online course. You get video tutorials, resources, exercises, downloadable worksheets, and access to a private Facebook group. Here's what you get with Knowledge Broker Blueprint. Video tutorials, resources, exercises, downloadable worksheets, access to a private Facebook group. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. 4 training modules. 1. Extract it. 2. Fill it. 3. Run it. 4. Knowledge Broker. Lessons within each training module. Training videos within each lesson. Each training video ranges in length from 7 minutes to 30 minutes. However, there are some longer training videos that dive deep into topics like Facebook and YouTube advertisements. The downloadable PDF worksheets, meanwhile, can be printed off before you start a lesson. Fill in the worksheets as you go along. Or test your knowledge after, or both. It will help you retain the information from the lesson. Each lesson is also followed by a quiz to verify that you retained the knowledge. In other words, there's a lot of content with Knowledge Broker Blueprint. The hours of video will teach you everything you need to know about creating your own mastermind program. Tony and Dean have packaged years of experience in these videos. They're distilling their combined 60+ years of industry experience into one concise training program. If you're willing to put in the work, you can get a lot of priceless information from Knowledge Broker Blueprint. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.